What if the future of artificial intelligence could change the way we communicate, create, learn, and even interact with technology itself? Envision a world where AI is not just a tool, but a collaborator, a creative partner, and even a teacher. This is not a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality, thanks to the advancements in AI technology like GPT-3.5. GPT-3.5 offers a myriad of benefits that could shape our future in ways we have yet to fully comprehend. One of the most significant contributions of GPT-3.5 is its potential to enhance communication. Through its ability to generate human-like responses, GPT-3.5 is paving the way for more natural, engaging interactions between humans and computers. This smoother collaboration can save valuable time